As an electrical engineer, I find it difficult to just go with the theoretical part of things. In most classes, we learn things by just theory, by doing math. But I really like to learn by doing, by having practical experience. We have labs in electrical engineering. These labs are nice, but the problem is when, as a student, you have many classes and you have these labs, and it's too much pressure, and you start to think, I have too many things to do, and you start to have a fear of having bad GPA, so you start just to not care so much about gaining knowledge versus having good grades. So I found it difficult for myself as a satisfaction, to have a good satisfaction of my learning experience, to just learn things like that and move on. I like to really learn everything I do in classes, so I started to do projects on my own. It was a nice experience, but difficult at the same time because I don't have enough resources and good experience. So one day I found out about the AMP lab, and I expected the AMP lab to be just like any other lab where students go there and have some meetings and then they leave, they don't do anything really important. But the AMP lab was different because all the students there really like to be there. They wanted to be there. They are dedicated, they know what they're doing. And when I go to the AMP lab, I can ask anything I want. All the students there share different interests, and I can have exposure to different fields, not just the field I think I know, because I don't really know what field I want. So I have that experience. And then I heard they're doing the soldering certificate, so I thought of joining that soldering certificate, even though I don't know how is that gonna be helpful for me. And then we did this by the end of the certificate, by the end of the training, and I was really satisfied by my work. And then one day I like to make videos of all the projects as a way to share it with others. But I don't have really a professional camera, so I use my phone to make these videos. But it's difficult to hold the phone while pointing at things in my projects. So I thought of buying a tripod for my phone. And then when I got that tripod, it had a place to have a screwdriver in it. And then I was like, I can just use that tripod on top of a servo and have the tripod moving right and left, so I can control the angle of the video. And then this project came to mind, and I thought of doing this. Basically, this is a moving. It's like a moving camera of my phone. It converts my phone to a camera where I can control the camera of the angle using just TV remote, just like that. And I can take a picture whenever I want, I can take a video, and many things. And then I started to upgrade the idea, and I added face recognition. And it's going to be difficult to show it in here, so I'm just going to show it in the video in YouTube. This shows me as I'm walking in front of the camera, and then the camera will start to follow my face. And as you can see, I don't have to touch anything, it just works by itself. So that's one feature. The other feature is just to use the remote. You can turn on the camera, move the angle right or left, take pictures, take videos. Now I'm going to take a video. And it's really responsive. Yeah, I think that's it.